It's broken. My truck. It's broken. Tiny house prepper. Do you remember a few months ago where we made the video and we showed you our new travel trailer that we bought? We called the cottage, and we bought this car and this truck, the truck to pull the cottage. Well, we had it for the truck for a few months, and all of a sudden, apparently we have blown a head gasket. So the mechanic does not recommend that we have the top end rebuilt, because then he said the bottom end is usually not strong enough to handle it. So instead, he's going to put a new motor in it. This is an 04 Dodge Dakota, and as you can see, the body is in perfect shape. Four-wheel drive works fine, transmission works fine. We debated about what to do with it. We found someone who put a new motor in it for $3,200, and that has a warranty with it for, I believe, for a year. We can't replace this thing for $3,200 and get anything decent. So we've decided to go ahead and go for it. This thing's smoking like a beast. When it first started, it's not smoking. But after it runs for a little while, it starts to smoke really bad. And it's only been running for a few minutes. It will start to smoke a lot worse than this. But the mechanic said that that is the coolant that's going through the crack in the head gasket into the cylinders, and it's coolant steam that's burning out of there, and it smells really bad. So it's definitely got a problem, and we're very excited to have this new motor put in. I just got back from taking the truck down to the mechanic. It runs fine. You can't even tell from performance that there's any problem. But it was throwing so much smoke out of the back, it was unbelievable. The cars behind me had to back way off because I was putting out so much smoke I couldn't even see the road until they backed off. It was embarrassing. It really was. But I got it down there fine, and so the mechanic's going to start taking it apart. And he said he should have the new one in a couple days, and then it'll take him about 3 days to finish it after he gets the new engine. So about a week, maybe a little bit more, till it's done. And I'm pretty excited about having my truck back again. He also said he's going to put a transmission oil cooling unit in because I'll be doing a lot of towing with it, and he said that should help, keep everything cooler. The motor itself is a used one. I did not get a reconditioned one because that's about twice as much. That would have been $5,500, $5,800. So I just got a used one for $3,200. It's got 90,000 miles on it, but it does have a 1-year warranty. They didn't rebuild it, but they checked it all out, before they sold it. So I think that should be good. Once we get it back, then we still have to, put the hitch on the truck and all the wiring, harness, and everything. We haven't done that yet. So, many of you have been wondering why we are not in Florida right now, why I'm still shivering here in the cold. Well, now you know why. We haven't been able to go anywhere because of the truck. It's been sitting here with a bad engine for about probably 2 months now. So I'm excited to be able to get it back, because once we do, we're going to start traveling a little bit. First, we're just going to do some local stuff, a week at a time, and that sort of thing, probably over the summer, to try everything out and get our system all set and everything. But yeah, so that's it. So thanks for watching, and if you want to keep up on this story of our truck and getting the truck working and getting the cottage, the travel trailer working, and getting it out on the road, and go ahead and subscribe down below, and you'll be able to watch this journey. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.